Hello students, this is Ram Saurabh, your maths faculty. I welcome you all to live classes children. Children, today we are going to discuss about another method of what? The solving the linear equation two variables. Children, in the previous classes we have discussed the first method. So can you tell me children what is the first method we have discussed in the previous class? Children, in the previous class we have discussed the method is what? It's a substitution method. Okay. In the substitution method what we are doing children exactly? We are writing like we are expressing the variable y in terms of x, or we are expressing the variable x is what in terms of y, isn't it? Either you are writing what y is equal to something. Yes sir, now you are bringing the variable y is equal to something, otherwise you can bring x is equal to what? As something, isn't it? So after that we are substituting the y value in the place of x, otherwise we are substituting the x value in the place of y. Isn't it children? Then we are solving the equation, then we are finding the x value and y value, so that we are called what? A pair of solution. So that is the first method children we have discussed in the previous class, isn't it? Now children, today I am going to discuss another method, that is what? Can you guess children what is the second method? Anyone? So the second method is a very simple children. The second method is called what? Elimination method children. Okay. So the elimination method means what? We have to eliminate either x variable or y variable, anyone. Either you can add or you can do subtraction, but we need to eliminate what? X variable or like variable term x or variable term y. Any one of the term we have to remove children, like eliminate. It's like removed, or we can say what? Deleted. So that is called what? Elimination method children. Okay. So let us see children how we can do, like how we can solve these questions by using the what? Elimination method. Clear children? Okay, fine. Children, elimination method. Children, see here, the first step is what children? Elimination method. The given equation we have to convert at ax plus by is equal to c form children. Okay, we have to convert the given equation like linear equation ax plus by is equal to c form. And what is the second step children? Make the coefficient of any one of the variable. Either you can take the coefficient of x for the both the variables and take the coefficient of y for the both the variables, but take at a time only one variable and multiply children some number and make them their equal coefficients. Okay. Suppose in the first variable, in the first equation the coefficient of x is 2. In the second equation is what? The coefficient of x is 3. So we have to make these two coefficients are equal by multiplying some number children. Okay. So first of all we have to make the what? The coefficients of the both the equation, either x variable or y variable should be same. Further we need to multiply some number children, some numerical value. Okay, that is the second step. Then children, if the variables are then what we have to do after multiplying? So we need to add or we need to subtract. See the possibility. If addition or you can do subtraction, any one of the operation, and eliminate those two like equal variables or equal coefficient variable. If you are doing the x is what? Variable here same, here also x is variable same. Then you can add these two or you can do subtract these two, but I want x should be eliminated. So for that you can do addition operation or you can do subtraction also. You can do any one of the operation children, but the thing is what? This x should be removed. Okay, that is third step. Then after doing what we can do children? Then solve the equation remaining variable. So one variable is removed, like when the x variable or y variable is removed, so we will be having a single variable. So for the single variable what we do children? Find the value of x or we can find the value of y. So that is called what? Solving the equation for the remaining variable. So after that children you will get the what? The value of x. After getting the suppose value of x or after getting the value of y, substitute this other equation to find the what? The rest of values. After solving, maybe you are getting the value of x children, but I want the value of y also. So what you have to do? So take this value of x and substitute in the second equation so that you will get the value of y. Am I clear children this point? After getting the x value and take that x value, substitute any one of the equation to get the y value. Then you will get the what? X value and y value. So both you will get. So this is called what? A pair of solution. Am I clear children how we are doing the procedure? Okay, not an issue children. We will take one example and we will discuss one by one how we can do this like elimination method. Okay children? Fine. Children, let us say one example here. So what is the question here? Solve the following the pair of linear equation by which method children? Elimination method. Okay. First the given equation. So what is the given equation children? 3x plus 2y equal to 11. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. And this is what, children? A 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Okay. Listen, children. In the first equation, suppose you're thinking that you wanted to delete the what x term, like x variable. You want to eliminate the what x variable, or you want to eliminate the y variable also. Anything, children. It's up to you. If you want, you can eliminate the x, or if you want, you can eliminate the y. So whichever the variable you want to eliminate, first make the coefficients are equal. Okay. See, suppose I want to eliminate the x variable, children, like x term. I want to eliminate the what? The variable is what? X. So just look at the variable, children, for first equation. So what is the coefficient of x here? 3. In the second equation, what is the coefficient of x here? 2. So here coefficient is 3 and here coefficient is 2. Here coefficient is what? 3 and here coefficient is 2. I want to variable this coefficient is like variable is what? X. Are you getting my point, children? I want to eliminate this variable is x, but the thing is what? Here coefficients are different. When both the coefficients are equal, then only I can cancel. See here, 2x and 2x. If I do subtraction, 2x cancel. Isn't it? Suppose I have something 3x, then I have something 4x. If I add or if I do subtraction, will the x is eliminated here? Here x is not eliminated because I am going to get something x or minus x. Isn't it, children? It is not possible. So when both the coefficients are equal, so then only what? If I do any addition procedure or subtraction procedure, then it will be get cancelled. Cancel means what? Completely the x term will be removed. Are you getting my point, children? So all the x term will be removed. The same procedure I am doing now here. Okay. Listen, children. Okay. Here what is the x coefficient, children? In the first equation, 3 is the x coefficient, isn't it? You can take this as the first equation and you can take this as the second equation. Okay. For the first equation, what is the coefficient? 3. In the second equation, what is the coefficient? It is 2. Yes or no, children? So what I am doing, I want to make the coefficient of x and coefficient of x here. In the first equation and second equation, both should be same. So further I am multiplying with some number, children. For the first equation, I am multiplying 2. And the second equation, and what I am doing, children, I am multiplying with what? A 3. Because if I multiply 2 here, so 2 into 3, it is 6. If I multiply 3 here, again 3 into 2, again 6. So coefficient of coefficient of x in the first equation and the coefficient of x in the second equation. So both I will be getting the equal. Yes or no, children? So multiply here 2 and multiply here 3. The first equation I am multiplying with 2 and second equation I am multiplying with 3. Now let us see, children, what happened. So if I am multiplying with 2, children, so 2 into 3, it is what? A 6x. So 2 3 is 6. Again 2 2s are what? It is 4. So 2 into 11, this is what? A 22. And second equation, what happened second equation, children? Multiply 3 into 2, it is 6x plus 3 3s are, this is 9. And 3 4s are, this is 12. Now, children, do the subtraction. Okay, because this is 6x, this is 6x, both quantity are equal. When the both quantities are equal, if you want to remove the both quantities, you're supposed to do subtraction only. So when you do the like minus or when you do the subtraction, so these two quantities gets cancelled. So children, I am doing the subtraction. Subtraction means symbols will change. So this is minus and this is minus. Here plus 6x and minus 6x get cancelled. This is 4y and minus 9y. So what is 4 minus 9, children? It is a minus 5y is equal to 22 minus 12. Children, what is 22 minus 12? It is 10. So write down this is 10. Then children, I want to find the y value. So y is equal to what? A 10 by minus 5. So y is equal to, this is 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So y is equal to what? A minus 2 is the solution. Clear, children? So I got the y is equal to how much? A minus 2. Now children, take this y is equal to minus 2 value, substitute any one of the equation, so that you will get the what? X value. Now children, I am taking the first equation. So what is the first equation, children? 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Children, substitute y is equal to what? A minus 2. So this is what? A 3x plus 2 into y value how much? A minus 2 is equal to 11. So this is what? A 3x. So 2 into minus 2. What is the value, children? It is a minus 4 is equal to what? 11. So 3x is equal to, this is 11 plus 4. 3x is equal to what? 15. Then x is equal to what we can write, children? 15 upon 3. Then x is equal to 5 is a solution. Okay. See, I got the y is equal to what? A minus 2 and x is equal to, it is 5 is a value. So directly what we can say, children, the solution is what? A 5 comma minus 2 is a solution. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this question? Question is very simple, children. First, the given equation you try to write ax plus by is equal to c form. So it is already in the same form only. Ax plus by is equal to c. This also ax plus by is equal to c form. Okay. Then, children, what you have to do? Tell me. So take this is the first equation, take this is the second equation. Now, children, look at the any one of the coefficient, children. You can take the x coefficient or you can look at the what? Y coefficient. We have to make the, children, what? The coefficients of any one of the variables should be same. So how it be done, children? It should be done by what? Tell me, children, how it will be done? By multiplying some number, children. So what is the number? That number we have to select appropriate number. Here I am what? Equating the what? X coefficient. Here also I am equating the x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 3. Here x coefficient is 2. So for the equation 1, I am multiplying 2, children. So if I multiply 2, I will be getting this equation like 6x plus 4y equal to 22. And for the equation 2, I am multiplying 3. So 3 into 2, it is 6x. And 3 3s are 9. And 3 4s are, it is 12. Then, children, do subtraction. I am getting the what? The value is minus 2. Children, anyhow, I want to find the what? Again, x value also. So further what I am doing? So take the y value, go for the equation 1. So this is the equation 1. So substituting what? Y I am substituting. Y is equal to what? A minus 2. I am substituting what, children? In the equation 1. So after substituting and do the simplification, so you will be getting the value is equal to what? X is equal to 5 is our final solution. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Okay, children, let us see another question also, the same method. Next. Again, solve the following pairs of linear equation by which method, children? Again, elimination method. Okay. So what is the first step, children? Just look at the equation, see whether they are like ax plus by is equal to c form or not. Yes, children, they are what? Ax plus by is equal to c form only, isn't it? So take the first equation as like this is what? 8x plus 5y equal to 9. So take this as the equation as 1. And second equation. What is second equation, children? 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So take this is the second equation. Okay, children? Now, children, what I am doing? Now I wanted to do like make the what? Y coefficient should be same. X coefficient something the coefficient is little bit bigger value, but y coefficients the coefficients are for the y variable the coefficients are a little bit a smaller value. So comparatively the smaller value the y coefficient has it, isn't it? So what I am doing, children? This is 5 and this is 2. I want to make the what? The coefficient of y should be same, children, isn't it? So further what I am doing? For the equation 1, I am multiplying with what, children? Can you guess and tell me? For equation 1, I am multiplying 2. And for equation 2, I am multiplying with what? 5. So then only what happens, children? The coefficient of y should be same. Like if I multiply 2 here, so 2 into 5, it is 10. If I multiply 5 here, 5 into 2, again it is what? A 10. Now, children, multiply here, 1 into 2. For the equation 1, I am multiplying with what? A 2. So 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. And for the equation 2, so what you are multiplying? You are multiplying with 5. So 3 5s are, it is 15. Plus, again 5 2s are, it is 10y. And 5 4s are, this is 20. Am I clear, children, this point? So very simple, children, just multiply. Because I am equating the what? The coefficient of y variable. Here the coefficient is what, children? 5. Here coefficient is 2. So I want to make this 5 and 2 both should be same. So for that I am multiplying for the first equation for 2 number and for the second equation 5 number. Okay, see this. First equation it is 2 and second equation it is 5. Okay. Then children, do the subtraction now. So what happens if I do subtraction again? Again automatically symbols will change. So this is what, a minus, and this is minus, and this is a minus. So this is what, a plus 10y minus 10y gets cancelled because both our quantities are equal. Okay, same quantities are equal, so we can cancel it. Now 16x minus 15x. So what is the answer, children? Only single x. 18 minus 20. What is the 18 minus 20, children? It is minus 2. So x is equal to how much, children? We got minus 2 is the answer. Clear, children? X is equal to what? We got minus 2. But children, I want to find the what? Y value also. So how we can find the y value? So take x is equal to minus 2 and substitute any one of the equation. You can go for equation 2 or you can go for equation 1. Any one, children. Okay. So better I will go equation 2. So from the equation, what I am doing? So substitute x is equal to minus 2. In which equation, children? In equation what, children? Second equation. I am substituting x is equal to minus 2 in the second equation. Now tell me, children, what is the second equation? So 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So it is the second equation. Now children, in the place of x, put the value is minus 2. So this is 3 into minus 2. This is 2y is equal to 4. Now children, 3 into minus 2. What is the value? It is minus 6. And this is 2y is equal to 4. Now children, transpose minus 6 on RHS side. So 2y is equal to, this is a 4 plus 6. So 2y is equal to 10. Then y is equal to 5 is the answer. Clear, children? So x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So these are the two solutions, children. Okay, so we can say, what is the pair of solution? X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Question is very easy, children. You can take any one of the variable coefficient among the two equation. Again, you can select x variable or you can select the y variable. Just look at the coefficient of that variable, children. So I am what, taking the y variable. You can take x also, not an issue, children. You will get the same answer. But why I am taking y means I want to make the calculation is simple. So for the simple calculation, otherwise for easy calculation, I am going for what, the first equation y variable, second equation also I am going y variable. Okay. First equation, so just multiply the whole equation into what, children? 2. For the second equation, multiply whole equation with 5. So after multiplying, I did subtraction, children. So after doing subtraction, I got x is equal to what? A minus 2. Okay. So after getting the x value, we need to get the what, y value also. So how we can substitute the y value? Again same thing, take the whole equation, like any one of the equation. You can go for equation 1 or you can go for equation 2. Then substitute what? X is equal to minus 2. Okay, you can take equation 1 or equation 2, substitute there and find the y value. So y value is equal to how much? 5 is the y value. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Question is very easy, children, so try to practice. Okay, okay, fine. So children, let us see another question, the same pattern. Okay, children, look at the another question. Solve the equation, again same elimination method. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Children, first the given equation you can take as 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. So take the equation as 1. And second equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So take the equation as 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine, children. So solve the equation of the pair by what? Elimination method. Now children, look at the both the equation. For first equation is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and second equation is what? A 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So I want to make any one of the coefficient of any one of the variables should be same. So for first variable you can take, for first equation you can take x is a variable, or you can go for y variable, any one variable children you can select it. Okay, so I'll go for the first equation, x is a variable, x variable coefficient, and the second equation also x variable coefficient. Okay, children, here first equation, here what is the coefficient of x is 2, and the second equation, what is the coefficient of x, that is 4. So I want to make the coefficient of x, both should be same children. Okay, so what I am doing, for the equation 1, simply I am multiplying 2, because if I multiply 2, so it is what, a 2 2s are 4, it is already 4, so 4 minus 4 I am going to get, it will going to get cancel. Okay, so multiply children, so if I multiply, this is what, a 4x, 2 3s are, this is 6y, and 2 8s are, this is 16. And what is the second equation children? For second equation I am just multiplying with 1. For second equation you just multiplying with the number 1, because I don't want to change any second equation. In the second equation the coefficient is already 4. Okay, for second equation what I am doing, 4x plus 6y equal to 7. And children, do the subtraction. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Children, listen here, all variables getting cancelled, isn't it? So everything getting cancelled. So why children, why we got everything getting cancelled? Because, tell me, here x variable also got cancelled, here y variable also got cancelled children. Okay, so why it happened means, they have the infinitely many solution children. Yes or no? So how we can check the whether the equation has infinitely solutions, or single solution, or no solution? Again, comparing the word coefficient, isn't it children? So compare the coefficient, because here I got all the variables are cancelled. Why? Because it has infinitely many solution. If they have only single solution, here at least one variable wouldn't be cancelled. So what I am writing children, first write down a1 is equal to 2, and b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to 8. a2 is equal to 4, so b2 is equal to what, 6, and c2 is equal to 7. So children, a1 by a2, so that is what, a2 upon 4, so value is what, 1 by 2. And b1 by b2, so the value is what children, a3 upon 6, again the value is 1 by 2. Again c1 by c2 is equal to what, that is 8 upon 7. Now children, here what condition we can write here? We can write as a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Children, it is which condition? Second condition. So second condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to, so not equal to what, a c1 by c2. So what we can say, they have infinitely, what is the answer children in this condition? They have solution, they don't have solution. They don't have solution because lines are parallel here. So when we get this condition means if the two lines are parallel like this, so there is no common point, there is no point of intersection. So we are getting this condition means the nature of the lines are what? Parallel to each other. So parallel to each other means what is the common solution? There is no common solution. So we can say here there is no solution. No solution means what we can say children? It is inconsistent. Consistent means solution children. Inconsistent means no solution. Again, consistent we have the two types. One is dependent and independent. Independent means single solution. Dependent means many solutions. Okay. So what we got children, here it is that two lines are parallel. So two lines are parallel means what we can say children, the two lines are parallel. So there is no common point. So no common point means what? There is no solution. Clear children? So that is the final solution here. Okay, fine. And children, look at this question. 3x plus 4y is equal to 25 and 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 9. Okay children? I can take this as an equation as 1. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. And take this is second equation. So 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 9. Okay children. Now children, I want to make the y coefficient should be same. Are you getting my point, children? I want to make the what? The y coefficient should be same. Here the y coefficient is 4, here y coefficient is 6. So can you tell me, children, what is the LCM of 4 and 6, children? LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So for the first equation, I want to get the y coefficient should be 12. For second equation also, I want to get the coefficient should be 12. So for that, can you tell me, children, which number we need to multiply? Any idea? For that, what I am doing, for the first equation, for the equation number 1, you multiply 3. So if I multiply 3 here, so 4 into 3, I am going to get 12. And the second equation, for the second equation, what you are supposed to multiply? Multiply with 2. Now 1 into 3. Now tell me, children, for equation 1, multiply 3. So this is a 9x, this is a 12y, and this is 25 into 3. So 25 into 3, what is the value, children? It is 75. And second equation, multiply with what, children? 2. So 2 5s, it is 10. Minus 2 6s, it is 12. And 2 into minus 9, it is what? A minus 18. Now tell me, children, so what we have to do here? Which operation we have to perform here? Addition or subtraction? See, both quantities are same but a different sign, like opposite sign. So children, here we have to do addition, because if I add these two, then only they get cancelled. But if I do something subtraction, children, this will not get cancelled, because again the symbol will change here. So this minus will be converted as a plus. So this also plus, this also plus. So they are not going to get cancelled. So I am doing the addition, children. If I do addition, plus 12y minus 12y cancel. And what about this, children? 9 plus 10. So this is what? A 19x equal to 75 minus 18. Tell me, children, what is 75 minus 18? So this is 15. 15 minus 8, this is 7. Here 6. 6 minus 1, it is 5. So this is 57. So 19x is equal to what is the value, children? 57. So x is equal to 57 divided by 19. So x is equal to how much, children? 3 is the answer. So 19 3 is a 57. So x is equal to how much? Is a 3 is the answer. Okay, children. So I got the x value. Again, I want to what? Find the y value. So how we get what? Find the value, children? Y value. So same, children, again. So take any one of the equation and substitute the y value. So substitute the what? X value is 3 and bring the what? A y value. Okay. So take the first equation, children. So because the simple, otherwise you can go for second equation also, anything up to you. Okay. Let us go then second equation. So what is second equation here? So 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 9. Children, substitute x is equal to what? A 3. So 5 into 3 minus 6y is equal to what? A minus 9. Children, 5 into 3, what is the value? It is a 15. Minus 6y is equal to what? A minus 9. Now children, do one thing. So minus 9, bring this side, and minus 6y, take this side. So 6y is equal to, this is what? A 15 plus 9. 6y is equal to what? A 24. Okay, then y is equal to what, children? 24 divided by 6. This is 6 1s, 6 4s. So y is equal to 4 is the answer. Am I clear, children, this point? So we got y is equal to how much? Is a 4 is the answer. So x already we got 3 is the answer, and y is equal to 4 is our final solution. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? It's a very simple, children. So you can take any one of the variable, children. You can select as a x as a variable or y also variable. So after selecting the any one of the variables, so make the what? The coefficient should be same. Further, you need to multiply with some number, children. So we need to select that number also, so that the coefficient of the both variables, like what is the word? You can take y variable or x variable, for the both the equation should be same. So that form we have to bring first of all. Okay, children. So further, what I am doing? First equation, I am multiplying what? See, 4 and 6. Because I am selecting the y variable. For the y variable, here coefficient is 4, and here y variable, the coefficient is what? 6, like minus 6. So I am taking the LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 is what? It is 12. So for that I want to get the 12 as a coefficient of for y, and here also second equation y. So first equation I am multiplying what? 3. Okay, first equation what I am multiplying 3, and second equation I am multiplying 2, because 6 2s it is 12. Then here I got what? It is 12y and minus 12y. Now children, I am doing the addition, because both will do, get cancelled if you do the addition only. If you do the subtraction, they are not going to get cancelled, because quantities are same but different symbol. So you have to do addition only. If I do subtraction, they are not going to get cancelled. So I am doing the addition, children. So plus 12y minus 12y get cancelled. So 19x is equal to what? 57. Then x is equal to what, children? I got something 3. Okay. So the x value is equal to 3. Then children, again, so take the x is equal to 3 value. Go for any one of the equation. You can go equation 1 or you can go equation 2. So substitute any one of the equation, children. X is equal to 3. So I am going to get the what? Y value. So y is equal to how much I got, children? 4 is our final solution. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? The question is very easy, children. Okay, fine. Let us see another question. Okay, children, look at this question. It's actually a word problem. So children, this type of question, whenever they give in the question the word problem, so you try to what? Write into a equational form. So after writing the equation form, then you have to solve that. Solve nothing but what? Again, find the x value and find the y value. Okay, children, let us this question, children. Here the two angles are complementary. Children, they are mentioning the two angles. So two angles means, can I take one angle is x and I take one angle is y. Okay, and let us take, children, I am assuming that x is what? A greater than y. I don't know, children, out of these two angles which is greater and which is smaller, but I am assuming. So x is what? A greater than y. And complementary means, what is the condition, children? So when we can say the two angles are complementary? When we can say the given two angles are complementary, on which condition? Tell me, children, when we can say? If the sum of the two angles is 90, so what I am writing, children? X plus y is equal to 90. If x plus y is equal to 90, then I can say it is what? Complementary angle. So you can take this as a first equation. When the sum of two angles is equal to 90, so we can say they are what? A complementary angles. Next one. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than the twice the measure of what? A smaller angle. What is the question, children? The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the measure of. Are you getting my point, children? The larger angle is 3 degrees less. Twice the measure of what? A smaller angle. That means the difference of larger angle and 2 times of smaller angle is equal to how much? 3. So what we can write? X minus 2y is equal to, I can write as 3. So take this as a equation as 2. Yes or no, children? The larger angle is 3 degrees less and twice the measure of what? A smaller angle. So we can write as x minus 2y is equal to 3. Clear, children? Okay. Now this is actually what? Equation as 2. Now children, we no need to do like, make the coefficients are equal. Here x coefficient is 1. Here also x coefficient is 1 only. So if I do subtraction, here x and x both get cancelled directly, isn't it, children? So what I am writing? So take the equation as 1 and do the subtraction equation 2 directly. So I am doing equation 1 minus equation 2. Why? Because, children, here coefficients already equal. The first equation x coefficient is 1 and second equation x coefficient is 1 only. So we no need to do like make the coefficients are same or equal, because they are already equal. Okay. So what I am doing, just simply I am doing the subtraction of equation 1 and equation 2. Now children, let us see what happened. So this is x plus y is equal to what? 90. And second equation x minus 2y is equal to what? 3. Subtraction. So this is minus, this is plus and this is minus. Now children, look at the first equation. See, this is x and x, so both get cancelled. And this is y plus 2y. What is the answer, children? This is a 3y. 90 minus 3. What is the 90 minus 3, children? It is 87. So y is equal to 87 divided by 3. Okay. Now tell me, children, this is what? 3. And this is how much, children? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 means how much is left, children? 2. So 27. So I can say 3 9s are. So y is equal to how much? 29 is the answer. Okay. So we got the y. So first means the smaller angle is equal to how much? 29. So how will get the larger angle, children? Again, take any one of the equation. I'll take the first equation. So first equation, x plus y is equal to 90. And take the y value is 29. So x plus 29 is equal to what? N90. Then x is equal to what, children? N90 minus 29. So what is that 90 minus 29, children? Tell me, children, 90 minus 29. So 90 minus 29, what is the value? So 10 minus 9, it is 1. It is 8. 8 minus 2, it is 6. So x is equal to how much, children? 61 is the answer. Okay. So y is equal to 29 and x is equal to 61. So these are the what? Two angles. So one angle is equal to 61. So another angle is equal to 29. So that is the solution, children. Okay. I hope you understood this class, like this question. This question is very simple, children. Okay. Are any doubts, children, regarding this question? Just look at the solution and see how we are solving one by one all the steps. Okay, fine, children. Let us go another question, the same type of question. We can discuss one more again. Okay. Children, look at this question. A dictionary has total how many pages, children? 1382 pages. It's broken into two parts. Okay, so total pages how many, children? 1382 and broken into two parts. So first part you can take as x. This you can take as part 1. And second part you can take as y. So this is what? A part 2. So this is part 1 and this is a part 2. Now children, what they are asking again? Okay, so this is part 1 and part 2, but already they told children the total has how many pages? 1382. So I can say the sum like part 1 and part 2 is equal to what? A 1382. And children, I am thinking or I am assuming as part 1 is greater than part 2. Because I don't know. Part 1 has like contains how many pages and part 2 contains how many pages. I don't have any information. So I am assuming myself. So x plus y is equal to what? 1382, where the part 1 is what? Greater than part 2. So I am thinking this is a greater part, it is a smaller part. So equal to what? 1382. And next one, children. The second part of the book has how many pages, children? 64 more pages than the first part. Are you getting my point, children? The second part as a book. The second part of the book has 64 more pages than the part 1. So our assumption wrong then. So we cannot take this as a part 1 or part 2. They already mentioned clearly. The second part book has what? 64 more pages than part 1. So the difference of the part 2 and difference of the part 1 is equal to how much we have to get, children? 64. This is a part 1, it is a part 2. But clearly mentioned, the second part of the book has 64. Then first part. So what we can say, the difference of part 2 and the difference of part 1 is equal to 64. Yes or no, children? They clearly mention the second part is what? Has 64 more pages. It already has 64 more pages than first part. So what we can write? The difference of second part, like the second part minus first part, is equal to 64. So y minus x is equal to how much, children? 64 is the value. So you can take this as a first equation and you can take this as a second equation. Clear, children? So as per the questions, I am writing the two equations. So I got the two equation. So x plus y is equal to what? 1382 and y minus x is equal to what? 64. Because the second part is what? 64 more pages. It has 64 more pages compared than what? First part. So we can write as y minus x is equal to 64. Okay. Now children, what I am writing? So first equation I am writing what? Directly x plus y is equal to what? 1382. Children, second equation, first I am writing the y variable, then I am writing the x variable. Sorry, x variable first, then I am writing y variable. So x variable minus x and y variable y, and this is what? A 64. Children, do simply addition. Why? Because see, x variable. Okay, here x variable is positive, here x variable is negative, and the coefficients are same. Once you do addition, children, so what happened? In the first equation x and second equation x both get cancelled, isn't it? So children, I am doing the addition here. So if I do addition here, plus x value minus x value get cancelled, and y plus y. So what is the value, children? It is a 2y. Now children, do this addition. So 1382 plus 64. So 2 plus 4, it is 6. 6 plus 8, 4. Carry 1. And 1 plus 3, it is 4. And this is what? 1. So 2y is equal to 1446, children, and y is equal to, so 1446 divided by 2. It is 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 2s are, and 2 3s are. So y is equal to how much, children? 723. Okay. So y is equal to, we got 723. Clear, children? Any doubt regarding this calculation part? So it is 2 1s are, 2 7s are, and 2 means 2 2s are, 3 means 2 6s are. So y is equal to 723. So the part 2 has how many pages, children? 723 pages. But the same, children, I want to find the part 1 also. I want to calculate what? The part 1 has how many pages. For the part 1, we have taken something x, children. So what I am doing, children? I will go for what? Equation 1. So what is the equation 1? X plus y is equal to 1382. So equation 1, x plus y is equal to 1382. So part 1, how many pages? Like part 2 has how many pages, children? 723. Substitute here. The y value is what? Is 723 is equal to 1382. Then children will substitute here value. Okay, do subtraction here. So 1382 subtraction. What is the value, children? 723. So this is what? Take the borrow. 12. 12 minus 3, it is 9. And this is 6. So 6 are 7. 7. 7 minus 2, this is 5. And take the borrow, children. 13 minus 7, it is what? 6. So second part has how much? First part has how many pages, children? 659 pages. So part 1 has 659 pages and part 2 has 723 pages. Clear, children, this question? Or any doubts? Question is very simple, children. They have one dictionary. So dictionary has completely how many pages? 1382 pages. And that dictionary into the broken in two parts. So first part I will take x and second part I will take y. Okay. Then one more condition. The second part is what? Greater than first part. But how much is greater, children? 64 pages more. That means the second part has 64 more pages compared to what? A first part. So what I am writing? The difference of second part and difference of first part is equal to what? A 64. So take that as a equation 1 and take this as a equation as 2. Then children, and just simply do addition because here see, the coefficient of x is here positive. Here coefficient of x is what? Negative. I am doing addition. So what happened? Here plus x minus x both are gets cancelled. Why? Because they have opposite sign. So x cancel, y plus y, it is 2y. Then it is what? Addition. So if I do addition, I got how much? 1446. So first part is what? After doing the calculation, I got 723. So it is second part is 523, like 723 is the value. But I want to get the first part also. So take any one of the equation, children. You can go for this equation or you can go for this equation. And substitute. And bring the what? X value. So X value is what? I got 659. Clear children? So first part is 723 and second part is what? First part is what? This is the first part 659 and second part is 723. So clear children this question? Are any doubts? Okay, fine children. So today we have discussed the one more method, finding the what? The linear equation of two variables. Okay, so what is the method children? So in the previous class we had discussed the substitution method, and today's class we are discussing about what children? Elimination method. Okay, so how we are going to solve the solving the equation by elimination method. So today's that is class. Clear children? Any doubts regarding today's class? The class is very easy children, so try to practice more sums. Okay.